In this video, I am gonna show you how to create 100% AI free content. I won't tell you any type of prompt. I will just share you one site where you can put your whole AI generated content, and that will convert your whole AI generated content into a human touch. So let's begin, and I will tell you one more thing. You can join my Telegram channel. I have given the link in description box because I will share lot of things over there, like all the updates of AI and tools whichever come in latest to in our market. I will share all of those things over there first. So you must join our Telegram channel because a lot is waiting for you. Now let's start the video, and now I am on ChatGPT 3.5, and here I will give you the command of article writing. Like I need a simple article so that I can show you how it will be AI content and how I will make it in human touch. Now I'm going to give a simple command to ChatGPT, prompt like write an article about safe trees, and we will press the enter button to get our answers over there. And there we go, like ChatGPT provided us our content, and we will just copy some of the content from this and like paste on our content detectable tool from the AI. Like I am going to copy this simply, and I will show you our next step. We will go to Google and search AI content detector. We got a first site which is already trusted by everyone, copy leaks. Okay, so we will just put our copied content right over there and paste it, and now you see AI content detected there is mentioned over there, and now we are going to convert this in our human touch. Okay, like we are using in this video undetectable AI, and this is a really amazing tool. You can use it too, like it will create your whole paragraph into human, and I will show you with the proof. Like we had opened the site over there, and now we are going to paste our content over there, and we are going to check for AI option, and you will see their platform also detected our content as AI generated and written by AI. They have mentioned already, and now we are going to convert this. Okay, so you just have to do nothing, and like this is very simple step. You have to click on tick box, and after that you have to click on humanize. Now they are asking for sign up over there, and if you want any alternative which will do all things for free, I will share it with you on my Telegram box, or in next video I will share it with you. But for now we are going to log in this, and I will show you how do I convert my content. Now we are done with the sign up process, and now we are going to just convert our content, and the platform interface is like this. We are going to go on main page, and we will paste our text right over there, and after pasting the text we are going to tick box, and we will just generate that. Okay, so they are taking some of the seconds of our life to convert those. Okay, so we got the result over there. Results are like this, and now as you can see they have changed our all the paragraph. Okay, so now we are going to just copy the output and check for the new results that we got from this platform. Now we are going to just copy paste over this like there, and we will go for check for AI to detect our content that it is AI or not. So as you can see, live proof, I have converted this all the content in human, and your content appears as human. Okay, there have been written. Now I will go to another site for the surety of that it is all okay. Or with that we will go to copy leaks. Okay, you can go to any other site. I am guaranteed with that, like you will get the 100% genuine result. And now as you can see, there is also we are getting the good results over there. This is human text. Now you can go it and paste it over right over whatever you need. Okay, so you can do this and convert all of your content